Hi everyone, welcome to this data annotation course. I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the first part of the material. Hope you're ready, let's get started.
In this chapter, we will explore speech data annotation. We'll start with an introduction to it, then move on to an overview. Next, we'll look at typical open source annotation tools, the overall process of voice data labeling, diversified voice data labeling projects, a chapter summary, and finally, homework and exercises. This is part of the Artificial Intelligence Technology Application Core Course Series textbooks. This section uses the multi-person natural dialogue voice data labeling project as an example to illustrate the voice data labeling process. Intelligent speech processing technologies like speech recognition and synthesis perform well in single-speaker, standardized pronunciation, and low-noise scenarios. However, in real life, issues such as natural pronunciation, accents, complex noise, and sound aliasing degrade their performance. Also, with the growth of deep learning, data's importance for training models is increasing. Thus, generating intelligent voice data for complex scenes is crucial for both academic research and enterprise development. Multi-person natural dialogue voice data, more difficult than single-speaker reading data, is relevant to real-life scenarios like meetings and group discussions, and supports research in intelligent speech processing. Voice data labeling is an essential part of voice data product production. Generally, voice data product production encompasses all steps from voice collection to data delivery, with each step being interconnected. As shown in the figure, it includes voice collection, data pre-processing, voice data labeling, data quality inspection, and data delivery modules. The voice data product production process consists of several modules. First, the voice collection module utilizes the mobile internet to gather various AI-related underlying data on a large scale via personal smartphones. Second, the data preprocessing module improves data quality through methods like data cleaning and information desensitization. Third, the voice data labeling module is key as high-quality data is vital for AI accuracy. Fourth, the data quality inspection module checks data quality according to strict general quality inspection points during collection and labeling. Finally, the data delivery module requires preparing complete explanatory documents and standardized storage formats after data production. After speech collection and pre-processing, we have large-scale multi-person natural dialogue speech data. This data is recorded in a quiet environment with speakers using standard Mandarin. The average conversation duration on a topic is around 30 minutes, and its volume, speaker gender, age, and geographical distribution meet machine learning and model training needs. We then need to formulate labeling rules based on the project's background, significance, and data application scenarios, considering machine learning algorithms. For example, if speech contains sensitive info like phone numbers, it's marked as an invalid segment with the error type contains sensitive information. Before voice data labeling, we must design an easy-to-operate and efficient platform according to the project's characteristics. The voice data here has features like many speakers, free-form dialogue, long duration, and low background noise. When designing the platform, we focus on speech segment interception, following specific specifications to split long speech. In the attribute labeling module, we determine speech segment validity and identify speaker roles and genders. Given the large amount of data, we use algorithms like voice endpoint detection and recognition to pre-process, helping labelers accurately transcribe the voice content. This page shows the interface of the configured voice data labeling platform. When conducting the voice data labeling task, we use models like voice endpoint detection and recognition to pre-determine labeling results, then upload the data and pre-marking results to a semi-automatic platform. Before labeling, we train labelers on using the platform, the task's purpose, and labeling standards. After that, we conduct a quality inspection of the labeling results. If sentences have errors like wrong labeling or valid errors according to general quality inspection points, they're considered wrongly labeled. The labeling accuracy formula is labeling accuracy equals 1 minus number of wrong labeling sentences, number of all labeling sentences, and usually, we require an accuracy of at least 97%. The voice data annotation result includes the voice tag's time position and specific content like transcribed text, speaker info, and noise. The annotation file is in a TXT or other common format with detailed label information. When delivering data, we include the original data, labeling results, documentation, and metadata about the labeling data. It's best to store the data in a standardized structure, as shown for multi-person dialogue voice data.